In this video, we're going to be showing you how we change the clock on a 2026 Mazda CX-50. The first thing we need to do is navigate down to the settings menu. Once we have opened up the settings menu, then we are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom until we see system settings. Then within the system settings menu, we're going to want to select clock, which is the very first option we see here. Then within the clock settings, we will select manual time adjustment. Now, if we want to adjust the hours, all we have to do is press either the plus or minus. The plus is going to make the hours go up, and the minus will make the hours go down. We can also do the same type of adjustment for the minutes. By pressing the plus sign, it's going to make our minutes go up, and the minus will bring the minutes down. In this menu, we do also have the option to change our clock from AM to PM. All we have to do is simply press it once and it will flip it from AM and PM. Last thing we'll do is press our home button to get us back to our main screen. And if you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.